That simple tool might save your batteries. You will find that in this short video, you will learn how Sean Morrison repairs car batteries when he really needs them most. In the past year, patriots who obtained these blueprints are refurbishing old batteries. You heard it right. They stopped buying new batteries that were overpriced, and now reuse old batteries. I know that most people don't know that it is possible to refurbish old batteries, let alone reuse them once a month. Of course, I don't want to cause any controversy, but before the release of the B2L blueprint, people are wasting money on new and expensive batteries. These simple blueprints have saved thousands of dollars in people's daily lives, and absolutely anyone can follow these simple step-by-step methods. If you want to learn more about this energy-saving technology method, please click the link below the video. These guides are very simple and fast, and you can use them without a certain level of knowledge. Most importantly, you can repair various used batteries, including alkaline batteries, motor scooter battery, cell phone battery, car battery, and such examples are endless. You can even find dead batteries for free in a secret place. If you stop at the end of this short presentation, you will learn about this secret place. You can even refurbish found old batteries for free and sell them for profit, so you can get a considerable income like Sean. Please pay close attention to the following video, just in case you are in trouble without any life-saving equipment. This may save you time. This is Sean Morrison. In this short video, I will show you how to use the battery to restore life. These batteries include car batteries, laptop batteries, camera batteries, mobile phone batteries, drill batteries, alkaline batteries. After several adjustments, they all started working again as if they were new. Now let me ask you a few questions. Knowing that you can renovate any type of battery in less than 5 minutes, how would you feel? How much can 1 year save by not buying new batteries? What does ultimate energy independence mean to you? As of February 25, 2020, these B2L blueprints are the only certified method to refurbish various batteries and save thousands of dollars annually. You read it right. You can easily restore all used batteries to their original condition, no electronic skills or degree. Without any expensive tools. No time wasted. The less knowledge you have, the better it actually is. You will be able to follow a simple B2L blueprint really easily, and view the pictures and charts to see if you are doing it right. Anyone can refurbish any type of battery with basic household tools within 5 minutes. My daughter did this, and since we released the B2L blueprint, thousands of people around the world have restored the battery to 100% of its original state. In the past, many people did not know how to repair a depleted battery. Using the B2L blueprint, you will be able to adjust the battery yourself according to the exact instructions. Simple and clear, carefully observe how to readjust the battery. When creating photos, we make sure to take as many photos as possible and include as many drawings as possible to make these guidelines as simple as possible. If you are looking for complex theories, but there is no clear step-by-step guide, then these B2L blueprints are not for you. Following the B2L blueprint is like looking at me, electrical engineer Robert does the work for you. I put 100% of my energy into this project. I work late and miss a lot of time with my family, because I know how many people will help. I want to make sure that anyone can readjust the battery as easily as possible. I asked dozens of professionals to help me make this guide an online book so that you can download everything on your computer and use B2L blueprints wherever you need them. As you remember, I was forgotten in the wilderness. If I happen to not meet Robert, I don't know what will happen. I don't want you to encounter the same traumatic situation. Now, no matter what specific situation you encounter, you can unplug the B2L blueprint and immediately adjust the old battery. These B2L blueprints are safe and easy for anyone to use. Maybe now, you don't have time to enter the B2L blueprint. But who knows? It may be too late to join tomorrow. This is what you have to do. Protect your location immediately, and when there is time, perhaps the next weekend, to download everything immediately and start repairing. Can't wait to secure your position and join us immediately. You know, money comes and goes, but time won't come back. The only valuable resource is time. Too many people have postponed everything until tomorrow. Your wasted time will not come back. The B2L blueprint is a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to rejuvenate the battery. They have a large number of drawings, pictures and charts to ensure that you can easily and accurately know what to do and where to repair any used batteries to be repaired. With the help of B2L blueprints, anyone can repair any type of used batteries. Robert and I will provide you with 24/7 VIP support, looking at your shoulder and telling you the exact operation. If you are not satisfied with the technical skills, or you know nothing about the battery, this is not a problem, because we ensure that it is easy to operate. Even my daughter can repair her own doll battery alone. Most of the tools needed to repair the battery are definitely already in your kitchen or can be used online. If you want to learn more about this energy-saving technology method, please click the link below the video.